All right, well, welcome to Infinite Eight Institute. We're here in our drone lab, and today we've got a surprise for you guys. We have our friends over there at Moverio that are going to, allow us to borrow their hardware in order to test it out and compare it to other systems that use mixed reality, augmented reality, and in particular, we're going to discuss its applications for use as far as drone technology is concerned. So we're going to go ahead and we just want to go ahead and do an unboxing. And I have not tried this out. We also are not getting paid in order to review this particular product. And so you guys are seeing our reaction for the very first time. So looks like a charger. Looks like a pair of headphones. That's pretty cool. These look like shades or different lenses that you can use. And then I believe this piece goes on top of your controller that allows you to manipulate the drone. And then also we have a nose piece here. But let's actually take a look at the headset itself. All right, so here's the actual headset. For augmented reality, it looks like a pair of Coke glasses that you might wear. We'll just try these on to give you an idea. All right, so definitely thin, definitely light. Like I could wear these all day. The other piece that it comes with is this touchpad that allows you to manipulate the actual drone itself. Here you kind of see the Android buttons that allow you to manipulate the menu, etc. You just plug that in at the bottom. But also on top of that, you get to latch on these various lenses if you're outdoors, etc. And then also you can plug in your earphones or your headset in order to be able to listen as well. But comparatively speaking, these lenses by Moverio, also they're under Epson, are a lot thinner, a lot lighter. Like it's really like night and day. Also, we look at the original DJI goggles. Huge difference. And then we also have the DJI Racing Edition goggles. Also a huge difference. We won't know how big of a difference until we actually try them out. And so we're going to go ahead and give these a